Hey guys, Ron from ReveMoto, and today we are working on this 2022 Audi Q8 front bumper removal. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. And if you guys need a pre-painted auto body part just like this one, the bumper already color match the exact color of your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is pop the hood up. So here guys, it's going to be like these push pins right here. And all you need something flat like this. This is a panel remover tool, but you don't need this thing exactly. All you need is a flathead. Alright, so basically right here, it's going to be a square. You're just going to try to get to the middle of that. Just like that. Pop it up. And it should come right off like that. So right here guys, you guys can see when it's down, it looks like that. And all you got to do is put a flat object in there and just pop this up like that, and it'll release it. So you guys have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So now this thing right here just pops right up. Oh, actually, over here you gotta take this off also. So this thing right here, there's a back piece to it. Just press it on the back and it'll release it. So you guys can see right there, just press on that back right there and it'll release it. So now go ahead and just pop it up. And this thing right here will just come right off like that. And we'll put that to the side. So what we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and release these clips right here. Those are attached to the bumper, and then also later on there's gonna be plugs for the sensors on each side that you guys have to release. But let's go ahead and go right here. Right here guys, it's gonna be a T15, that screw right there. We're gonna take that right off right there. So all it is gonna be a T15. Oh, not T15, it's a T25. I do apologize. It'll be a T25, just like that one right there, to take off that bolt. So it looks like that. And there's gonna be one on the other side. Oh, so we'll go to the other side. There's another one right here, right in the middle. I'll take that off. Then again, there's another one right here. That one, so there's 3 up top. Alright, so I don't forget later, I'm gonna go and unplug right here. So it should be a plug right here. Just get something flat. And I believe you just push this. Let me see. Oh, this clip right here, you can press down on it and it'll release it just like that. And then go ahead and unclip it. Alright, so that's one plug that we're going to be taking off right there. Alright, so on this side right here, it doesn't have the fender flare to take off, but on here you guys have that fender flare, and it's super easy to take off. All you need is something flat like this, like a panel remover tool. If you come back here, I already took it off already, but it's just held on by these clips and they're really easy to take off. So for me, I like something flat and just kind of like, you know, come over here and just gently pry it off, and it should just come right off. As you guys can see, it's just a bunch of push pins and clips, and it comes right off whenever you guys use the panel removal tool like this. So there's going to be screws right here. There's again T25s running across in the front, and then T25s running this way. I'm going to turn the wheel so we can get a little bit more room there. I'm just gonna show you guys back here so you guys can see it's just running down the side. It's gonna be T25. Okay, I'm just gonna go and take all that off. Take that off. And then again, just all on the bottom and the side, just take those off. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this back a little bit and let me show you guys this screw. Alright, so when you guys pull this back, there's gonna be a screw like right there. You guys have to take off. But I know it's kind of hard to see, but if you guys pull this back a little bit, right, and it's angled like this way, and it looks like that. Okay, so go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so we're gonna go to the bottom of the bumper. If you guys go to the bottom of the bumper, start off on the side and just work your way around to the middle and just take off all of these T25 bolts, okay? Alright, so we're going to start off on the side. So you're going to just go to the side and kind of get your finger right here. And all you're going to do is pull. So there's clips right here. It just clips on there pretty hard. So you just got to be careful, you know. But you got to have a little bit of force, or you guys can come back to the back and pull it. Do on this side also.
A few moments later.
Alright, so off camera what I did was go ahead and pull out the bumper and I unplugged the sensors right here. But one thing I do want to show you guys, as you guys can see, I broke the bracket, which is fine because this bumper was already broken. But one thing I do want to show you guys, which is interesting, is like, this is off camera, you probably won't be able to see. So there's like this hole right here. You see this right here? You go all the way back, and then if you guys go all the way back right here, if you pull the fender liner back, you can actually put a long wrench in there. So this is a bracket right here that holds the whole bumper together, and it's on the actual bumper with rivets. So what happened was, when I pulled it, the rivets broke. That's why I can take this off, but then this thing broke. The thing is like, there's like this screw right here. So you guys can see there's like a tunnel system that goes all the way back, and if you guys pull the fender liner back, you guys can actually put that T15 in there. But you guys need like a pretty long extension. So it's like this long. See? It's a pretty long extension. And then you kind of like put it back there. And as you guys can see how like it goes all the way back there. And then you actually have to feel for this thing, which is crazy. I don't know if there's like another way, but like, that is so crazy. So then this whole thing design I've ever seen. So basically this screw holds that bumper together still. So you guys have to take this screw on both sides. Now the bumper comes off. Alright guys, so that's how you take off a front bumper off of a 2022 Audi Q8. And this is actually an S-Line model, so that might be the big difference because of that screw right there. But again, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. And if you guys need any prepaid auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your prepaid auto body parts source. Thank you guys.